I'm going to be testing out a new keyboard. It's just going to be a sound test. I really like this thing. Personally, let's get this chunk out of here. Personally, I really like this keyboard. I think it's pretty cool and stuff. Let's just give it a sound test really quick. Here we go, guys. Sound test time. Yep. Already feeling a special spark. Already feeling that spark, you know. Really just getting to it, you know. Good keyboard. Good stuff. Good stuff, guys. We got the pause. We got the pause button right here. Got a nice long cord. Plug into whatever devices you need to plug it into. Personally, I'm a pretty big fan. This makes my nipples tickle a little bit, honestly. That's kind of the only feeling I can really give it. A little bit of ball jiggling here and there, you know. Really just gets me in the feels, honestly. But yeah, so anyways, guys, one more time, I guess, just type out youtube.com. Yeah, guys, it's pretty good. I actually mistyped that, but it still sounded really good. There we go, I did it right. Now let's press enter. Oh yeah, guys, that's a really good keyboard, honestly. Just gonna be completely honest here. Really proud of this keyboard. Really thinking, pretty good addition to my house. So yeah, see you guys later.